Hi kids, welcome to ASIF Public School in Karachi. My name is Miss Sadaf Nas. I am your English teacher. Today we would be learning about creative writing. In this lesson, we will learn how to compose an essay. In this lesson, kids, you will be able to learn how to care about others, pets related vocabulary, how to compose an essay on the given topic. Hi Fudel, why are you looking so nervous? Is there any problem?
Yes, teacher. I'm finding it difficult to write an essay.
Oh, don't get worried. I'll help you with it. Let me tell you first what is creative and essay writing.
Yes, teacher. I want to know.
Creative writing, it is a piece of writing that expresses ideas and thoughts in an imaginative way. There are many types of creative writing, but today we will discuss only one type of creative writing, which is essay writing. Now you are thinking, what is an essay? An essay is a group of sentences about a subject. It should not have more than 8 to 10 lines. It may have many paragraphs. क्रिएटिव राइटिंग तख्लील की तहरीर तहरीर का ऐसा टुकड़ा है जो ख्यालात और तराकीब को तख्लीआती अंदाज में जाहिर करता है। ऐसे राइटिंग ये उन्वान के बारे में जुमलों का मजमुआ होता है। इसमें 8 या 10 से ज़्यादा लाइनें नहीं होना चाहिए। इसमें बहुत सारे पैराग्राफ भी हो सकते हैं। There are number of rules you need to remember and follow, but here I am discussing a few important steps. Steps are: first, write the subject and topic of your essay. Think about the subject you are writing on. Write a rough outline with the help of vocabularies related to your topic. Write 8 to 10 sentences. Use simple sentences and correct punctuation marks. The first sentence of the essay should introduce the subject. In the end, you will summarize your points. Before you begin writing an essay, you should first think about the topic you are writing on. Ask question to yourself. Do you have pets at home? Which pet do you have? What is its name? How your pet looks? What does she like to play? What does she like to eat? How do you take care of your pet? Do your family like her?
Okay, teacher. I understood. Teacher, can I start writing essay on my pet?
No, before you start writing essay, let me first define you what is a pet. What is a pet? A pet is an animal or bird that is kept by a person to be a friend at their home. Now start writing Fudel. Use vocabularies.
Okay, teacher. I'm using these vocabularies: meow, fur, call, eat, drink, enjoy, on, tell, walk, tiny, basket, keeps, mice, away, caught, give, bath, cute, love, little.
Kids, have you listened how Fudel read and using these vocabularies about pet in his essay? In the same manner, you also have to read and use it in your essay writing. The question which Fudel is doing, kids, you will also have to do in your copy. The question is that write an essay on my favorite pet, that could be any animal or bird. Also draw a picture of your pet and label its body parts. Here Fudel has drew a picture of his favorite pet cat named Kuko. In the same way, you can also give any name to your cat. Then he labeled the Kuko body parts. Let's learn the cat body parts. The cat has eye, nose, whisker, mouth, ear, fur, tail, paw, and claws. Now kids, the essay which Pudal has written about his pet cat, you will also have to write this essay in your notebook. Let's see what Pudal has written about his pet cat. He has written, I have a cute little pet, a cat. I named her Kuko. She loves to eat fish and drink milk. She enjoys playing with ball. I take her out for a walk. I keep her neat and clean. She sleeps under my cot. Me and my family love her so much. Kids, now it's time to practice, and for practice, I'm assigning you a homework which you will have to do in your notebook. And the question is, complete the essay on my school. Think and choose suitable words for each blank. Draw a colorful picture of your school and write its name. Here are the kids, the words being given. With the help of these words, you have to complete your essay on my school. The words are Karachi, junior, large, assembly area, beautiful, ASF public school, playground, beautiful. This is your homework worksheet, and the title of the essay is My School, and the sentences are, my school name is dash, it is situated in dash, it is very dash, it has dash number of classrooms, my class is in dash section, it has big dash and a dash, there is a dash garden. After completing the above sentences, children, then draw a beautiful picture of your school and write its name. Here kids, I have shown you a beautiful picture of a school. I am showing you this picture as an example so that you can also draw your school picture in the same way. What did kids you learn today? Let's take a brief look of the points we have learned in this lesson. An essay is a group of sentences about a subject. It should not have more than 8 to 10 lines. You should first think about the subject. Write down all the points. Use simple sentences and correct punctuation marks. Well, I hope you all have understood the lesson about essay writing well, and now you will be able to use it correctly in your written as well as speaking tasks. Happy learning kids. Thank you for watching.